And now I just wanted to, for very little time, because we have this crisis here with the HyperAiBox, to let you know about this new sidechain of Cardano, which Charles didn't have time to mention yesterday, but this is a sidechain which is built on Hydra. And it is called Hypercycle. The idea is the Internet of Artificial Intelligence, and why, what is it doing actually? So currently, and if you would see those logos, so these are a different kind of impact. The idea is that all the AIs are being developed totally separate from each other and competitive, and we live in this Moloch world, Molochian world, if you want the metaphor. And Hypercycle is building actually the interoperability so that they all can cooperate. And this is a very good infrastructure also for SingularityNet, which actually is developing on their platform agents, artificial intelligence agents, that can combine with each other into more complex services. And using, if you allow me just one technical term, knowledge graphs, we are building on Cardano through Hypercycle, through this sidechain, we are building the global brain. The idea is that we actually can securely partake to the global brain using Hypercycle. Why? Because the data, your data is encrypted, but it can go together with other data into one port. On the other side, using these boxes here, you can bring the algorithm to your data. So your data can stay in your home, safe and secure. So these are some algorithms which are inside the box, which maybe Dr. Yanko, who is here, who brought the boxes, can explain more about. And so the idea is how we do it today with centralized databases and even the decentralized ones with the ledger. It's much more time consuming than how Hypercycle is doing it. Hypercycle actually is has a ledger, but total IP is a very thin ledger, which enables very fast computation for the artificial intelligence algorithms.
It's peer-to-peer, so actually you can have sort of different nodes having different algorithms, and then one node passing its output to another node in a peer-to-peer fashion without immediate validation on the blockchain. So it's using some zero-knowledge proofs to actually pass on the computation that's validated later on. So it can do very fast functions, essentially, that are not waiting on some block to be sealed.
And the idea is that, okay, with the boxes, I mean, if you don't want the box, you can simply download it on your laptop, and then you can use it and run it from your laptop.
In this case, you just select which kind of AI machine you want to run on your computer or the box.
So this is possible from your computer to select the algorithm which you want to run on Hypercycle to keep your data safe. Of course, it may sound cumbersome, but still, we are Cardanos, right?
HyperAiBox is hyper appliance. They're literally, first ones were shown a couple of weeks ago at a hackathon, block hack in Toronto, and those are the first productions. So these are actually the second set of boxes that are being given away today.
And the idea is that if you don't want to download Hypercycle on your computer, you can have the boxes. What is the advantage of having a box? Can you tell us in 15 seconds?
The box will run AI machines, will also enable in the future processing on the edge. It also has proof of reputation, so that as the box is running, those nodes will gain more reputation. And if you keep it on, you're not using resources of your own computer, so you're using the appliance itself. It's a kind of zero config, so literally you plug it into the Ethernet, and you plug it into power, and that's all you need.
Thank you. Great.
How many projects do we highlight in the impact report? What SingularityNet project is focused on new discoveries and longevity research? What cultural project is a partner of Sustainable ADA in creating proof of impact NFTs? Who is the CEO of Hypercycle?
Hypercycle allows